In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin team member from ClickFunnels. Managing your team efficiently is crucial to ensuring streamlined operations, and sometimes removing a team member from your ClickFunnels account may become necessary. Don't worry, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step methodically so you can follow along with confidence. First, let's begin by navigating to the ClickFunnels dashboard. To do this, make sure you're logged into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're in, head on over to the Funnels section. You can find this by looking for the word Funnels on the main page and clicking on it. This will direct you to your team's workspace where all the activity in your account is centralized. Once you're in the Funnels section, the next step is to select the workspace associated with your team's activities. Click on what should be labeled as Test Demo's Team Workspace or similarly named according to your setup. This will take you to your team's specific area where more detailed settings can be adjusted. Now that you've accessed the Team Workspace, the next objective is to click on Team Settings. This menu is designed to give you control over various administrative tasks related to your team within ClickFunnels. Here you'll have access to options like roles, permissions, and anything related to team member management. Proceed by selecting Team Members from the available options in Team Settings. This is where you'll see a list of all the current team members that have administrative roles or permissions associated with your workspace. Now is an ideal time to ensure you have the correct personnel list available. After you have the list of team members in front of you, identify the particular admin you need to remove. Look for their name on the list. It might look something similar to test followed by an email address. Click on their entry to proceed with modifications related to their membership. Upon clicking on the specific team member's profile, search for an option labeled Highlight. This option should be used to bring attention to administrative actions you can take concerning this member, which will include removal if necessary. Finally, you'll arrive at the crucial confirmation step. You must click on the prompt that asks, "Are you sure?" This is a fail-safe mechanism to ensure that you truly intend to delete this admin team member from your ClickFunnels team. Confirm your action, and just like that, the member will be removed from your administrative team. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your ClickFunnels team setup. Remember, maintaining an updated team roster helps to keep your operation smooth and ensures that only authorized personnel have access to your systems. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped make your team management tasks easier.